Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we are reviewing something that feels almost unreal, a combination of British elegance, timeless craftsmanship, and cutting-edge engineering, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Rolls-Royce has always stood as a symbol of ultimate luxury, exclusivity, and perfection. And with this new motorhome, they have taken that identity onto a whole new level, merging the comfort of a luxury apartment with the refinement and power of their iconic vehicles. This is not just transportation. This is an experience crafted for those who want to travel the world without ever leaving behind the opulence of a palace. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 leaves you speechless. Unlike traditional motorhomes that often focus only on utility, this masterpiece looks like it belongs to a royal fleet. The front features the unmistakable Rolls-Royce grille, bold and upright, finished in polished chrome and topped by the spirit of ecstasy, which rises gracefully as you approach. Flanking the grille are sleek laser headlights with crystal detailing that resemble fine jewelry more than car parts. The body design is majestic yet modern, with clean lines that stretch across a long, commanding profile. Rolls-Royce has managed to make a motorhome that doesn't look bulky, but instead flows with elegance, as if carved by hand. Even though this is a massive vehicle, its proportions feel balanced, with a two-tone paint finish that can be completely customized to match the taste of the owner. The rear is equally impressive, with a panoramic glass section that doubles as a private lounge window, slim LED taillights, and hidden exhaust outlets for a clean, sophisticated finish. The wheels are large, multi-spoke alloys, polished to mirror shine, ensuring that every angle reflects prestige. Step inside and you are transported to a world that only Rolls-Royce can create. The interior of the Motorhome 2026 feels less like a vehicle and more like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. Every surface is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, soft wool carpets, and wood veneers sourced from rare forests, polished to perfection. The cabin greets you with the iconic Starlight headliner, where thousands of tiny fiber optic lights create a starry sky above your head, customizable to any constellation you desire. The cockpit remains driver-focused, with a steering wheel wrapped in supple leather, digital displays seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, and subtle chrome detailing. Moving deeper into the living area, Rolls-Royce has designed this motorhome to be an oasis on wheels. The lounge section features plush reclining chairs that can swivel, a handcrafted dining table, and a 65-inch hidden OLED TV that rises silently at the touch of a button. The lighting system adapts to your mood, creating soft golden glows for the evening or bright daylight tones for reading. The kitchen area is a work of art in itself, with marble countertops, gold-accented fixtures, a premium wine cellar, and smart appliances hidden behind elegant wood panels so that functionality never disturbs the beauty. The bedroom is equally breathtaking. A king-sized bed with Egyptian cotton sheets, surrounded by acoustic panels for absolute silence, ensures restful sleep no matter where you park. Above, a retractable skylight opens to let you sleep under the stars, bringing the outside world into your private sanctuary. The bathroom continues this royal experience with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and crystal fixtures that make even daily routines feel like a spa retreat. Every inch of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed for comfort, privacy, and indulgence. Now, let's talk performance. Rolls-Royce has engineered this motorhome with the same philosophy as their flagship sedans. Underneath the elegant body lies a powerful V12 hybrid engine, delivering around 700 horsepower with effortless torque. Paired with electric motors, the vehicle glides forward silently when needed and roars with authority when commanded. Despite its massive size, this motorhome accelerates smoothly, reaching 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds, which is remarkable for a vehicle of this class. The suspension is where Rolls-Royce truly shines. Equipped with their advanced Magic Carpet Ride system, The Motorhome 2026 feels as if it is floating over the road, ironing out every bump and vibration. Whether cruising through highways or navigating city streets, passengers experience nothing but serene calmness. Driving range has also been carefully engineered for practicality. With the hybrid system, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers over 1,000 kilometers of travel per refuel, and the electric-only mode allows silent, zero-emission travel for up to 100 kilometers, perfect for urban environments. Safety and technology are, of course, state-of-the-art, with autonomous driving assistance, night vision, adaptive cruise, and full surround-view cameras, ensuring that this luxury mansion on wheels is as easy to maneuver as a much smaller vehicle. Now comes the price, and as expected, this is not for everyone. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is aimed at the world's elite, those who demand the rarest and finest in life. The estimated starting price is around $3 million, with bespoke customization options easily taking it well beyond $4 million, depending on materials, finishes, and personalized features. But as with every Rolls-Royce,